See,
Yes.
Ampersand symbol, right? That is used for concatenation. So here, when logical operation time, we have to write like this, and or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what previously error is coming. So concatenation means we need two strings, right?
Yes.
So the error is coming. When I change, there is no error. So this type of error, it's not going. Greater than 40, less than 60. Then only
Mm.
it will go. Both the condition need to be satisfied.
Yes.
So greater than less than 60. Okay, 55 let me give. See that time it will when both the condition if met only it will go inside this loop. Suppose
Mm.
one condition wrong, one condition means it will not go. Both the condition need to be satisfied. Suppose here if I am writing or, then any one condition if I satisfy, it will go inside.
Yes.
But according to here, the logic it is wrong. Just I'm explaining. Okay. That is what arithmetic and or uh, arithmetic operate. This is logical operator
Logical operator.
and or not XOR. These are logical operator.
Yes.
Plus minus that and all arithmetic operation.
Yes.
Equal to this and all comparison operators. And if then next topic if condition.
Yes.
If then else. Suppose only one condition I'm given give here. Greater than 40 means pass, else fail. This is what if then else. Greater than 40 means it come here, otherwise it will come out of the loop.
Yes.
I think you know the basic things